In this video, we show you how to fabricate a retention splint with IMPRELON S. Once the 3D model has been printed according to the treatment plan, we can start with the blocking out process. For this, we use blue blocker, applying the necessary amount to the respective areas of the model as required. The applied material is then cured in the LC6 light oven. The model is now optimally prepared for the thermoforming process and can be placed on the BioStar. For the fabrication of a retention splint, we used IMPRELON S plus PD with a thickness of 1.0 mm and a diameter of 125 mm. As an alternative, we also recommend using IMPRELON S plus PD with a thickness of 0.75 mm and a diameter of 125 mm, or Duran Plus with a thickness of 1.0 mm and a diameter of 125 mm. Like all SCHEU Dental foils, the upper edge of the material includes key product information such as the product name, lot and ref numbers, and the ideal heating time for manual input. At the bottom edge, a barcode is printed that can be scanned directly using the thermoforming unit. This transfers the material parameters automatically to the device. Please check that the model is correctly aligned. The dental arch should face the pressure chamber. Then press the code scan button on the BioStar and scan the barcode using the integrated scanner on the front of the device. The thermoforming parameters will now appear on the device display, and you'll be guided through the process step by step with visual instructions. Insert the foil, close the pressure chamber, and swing the heater into position above it. The heating process will begin. Once the heating time is complete, an acoustic signal will sound. Swing the heater back, lower the pressure chamber over the model, and lock it in place. The thermoforming process will begin automatically, followed by a predefined cooling phase. The BioStar operates at a pressure of 6 bar, allowing for even more precise molding results. Its larger pressure chamber and removable pellet container offer enhanced ease of use and enable a wide range of orthodontic applications. Even tough and thick foils up to 5 mm can be thermoformed effortlessly, making the BioStar a true all-rounder among thermoforming units. After the cooling phase, another acoustic signal will sound. Press the air button and wait for 3 seconds. The chamber will depressurize, then unlock the pressure chamber and remove the thermoformed model. For finishing, we use the LC Milling Tool C, SD Foil Scissors A and B, as well as the SCHEU Dental finishing set. Begin by roughly cutting the foil along the edge of the model using SD foil scissors B to detach the model from the foil. Then use SD foil scissors A for more precise cuts to define the final shape of the splint. Next, the edge of the splint can be pre-trimmed using the LC burr C. The integrated protective foil can usually be removed easily after rough trimming. If removal is difficult, the HM tricutter fine can be used. Shaped with the Bioperm trimmer, and finally smoothed using the Dimo Pro polishing disc. At the end, the edge of the splint can be polished to a final finish using a standard polishing motor. All products from the finishing set can also be ordered individually. After finishing, the retention splint is ready for use by the patient. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.